conversion rate optimizer. So this is on Agent.ai. And this is just the CTO, the Chief Technology Officer and co-founder of HubSpot made this. You sign up, it's free for 100 units, and this costs 1 unit to do. But think of it like LinkedIn for robots, right? So essentially you can see all these different robots, these AI agents, these agents with these pre-prescribed abilities or rules or actions, or basically this is what I'm good at. And then that's been trained to do a particular job, and then you can hire it. So then it comes on your team that you can basically have the ones that you've hired in your company. And one of those ones you can use is this one. So you jump in, it costs 1 credit per, and I think you get 100 for free when you sign up. What I did was I said, okay, well, I know that this client really likes customers from this market. Now, this is a location page that's SEO optimized for the state, college, district, or area, or region, or city, or place, right? So people in this market, this page is designed, so that's why you see, if I go state, college, right? Not that keyword stuffing is the gold standard of SEO. And this is not keyword stuffing, but like only 11 times on the page. This is not that bad. A little bit here, but at the end of the day, this is important that they do this for optimizing for that particular page. But what I did was I said, okay, well, if we want to make this a high converting landing page, it's a couple things. One, we don't want all this navigation up here, right? If we pay for traffic to go somewhere, links equal leaks. Links equal leaks. So repeat after me. Links equal leaks. You don't want a leaky funnel, right? If you have a funnel with holes in it, it leaks. So you don't want a leaky funnel. So if you've managed to find a really good ad set, right? So a good audience and a really good ad that is converting, then that's when you want to cut off any links from your page. You might still have links when you still got a wide net cast with a number of different ad sets and audiences and ad copies and thumbnails. You might still have links. But once you've really nailed getting the right person from the right place in front of them, the right promotion, selling the right product, then you want to get rid of any links. So you don't want the about us and any of this kind of stuff. You're just going to have a landing page where they can have either 2 choices, convert or bounce. So everything is about either converting or bouncing. So you wouldn't want the ability to click here and go off in some other direction. You just want it to, like, maybe you can have pop-ups with these kinds of things, or things when you highlight it, it rolls over, but you don't want any leaks, right? You don't want any way for them to get away from your page. So that's like the first thing. All right, because that's the thing. You want to be able to measure the conversion rate of this page. If you have a bunch of leaks, then what happens is you get these noise, not signal. You want signal, which means you have a binary choice given to a person, right? They clicked on the link to go to Nike Air Jordans, right? They either buy the shoes or they leave. They don't go anywhere else, because then it becomes noise, because then you have to think, well, what conversion pathway did they take? What conversion pathway did they take? And then you get this noise rather than signal. Then what I do is I copy this URL of this location page, and I say, hey, I want to make this into a conversion page. So I'm going to spit this particular page in. I already did this one, so I'm not going to pay to do it twice. I'm going to go to here, and I'm going to go to a different service area. We'll go to Lock Haven. Okay, so I'll take this, spit this in here. So what it's doing right now is this AI has a pre-programmed job. Think of it like if you went to LinkedIn, said, I want to hire a conversion rate optimization person who knows how to do this. Well, you have to pay a certain amount of money for it, right? Now, there's obviously lots to do with conversion rate optimization, but if you're just looking to at least get some ideas to get started, because not all of these recommendations are the best, but you still have, remember how to use the AI: ideation, research, composition, refine and edit, distribute, right? So the nice thing about this is the agent does a lot of the ideation and research there. It's the ideation and research behind conversion rate optimization is built into the agent, so then it's smarter at its composition, than just walking into ChatGPT and saying, make my website better. And then the composition is in a format that works really well and then explains what to do before, what to do to make it more conversion rate optimized, and why. And then you can then start to take action from this. So instead of top rated roofing company in Lock Haven, which is obviously SEO, right? This is trying to get it so people will search for top rated roofing companies and they happen to be, their IP address happens to be parked here. This might be more conversion rate optimization, was more benefit oriented headline, speaks directly to the customer's needs. Again, because you know exactly who's coming here. Get a free inspection, get your free roof inspection today. More action oriented and urgent call to action. So this is, again, trying to get people to convert. These little things make the difference, right? The difference between add to cart and buy now made Amazon, was one of the things that made Amazon into Amazon, right? Again, go read all the university studies. It's crazy how the creation of this button and then all the things they did around that, the color, the positioning on the website, everything they did operationally to make buy now a real thing, the creation of Prime, all of it was built around the inception of this buy now concept, which was foreign to online buying. So everything behind why this button is green and it's here, everything about why this feels familiar to HubSpot, everything in UI, user interface, UX, user experience, everything matters way more than we like to think. Welcome to Starway Roof Systems and Lock Haven. Experience superior roofing with Starway Roof Systems. More engaging, benefit focused. Why choose Starway Roof Seasons? 5 reasons to trust Starway Roof Systems. So again, why choose versus 5 reasons to trust. More specific and compelling section header. Our roofing service in Lock Haven. Your trusted roofing company, your neighbor's choice. Hear what our clients have to say. See what Lock Haven homeowners love Starway Roofing Systems. More engaging. So this is a great way to then take a page and start to get more optimization from it. Try and get people to be more likely to buy. So you spit these into pages that you have, and you can put all your pages from your website into something like this. And you're going to start to get a really clear understanding of what statements based on your already proven copy, like you're already getting stuff from your page. This will help you recraft your copy to make it for conversion. So this is just one piece of it, right? So I'll say like this, I'll say, wish I got more recommendations. Wish I got more recommendations. And it did. Website user. So I'm just making a suggestion to the maker of this. But then from here, you can then copy this, you can share it out. So you can take that and share it to the website developer. But this is a huge move forward in being able to have specifically trained agents able to do this kind of stuff. And I want people to walk away with like a quick win and understand the difference between an SEO written page and a conversion rate written page, because then you have to then, of course, have compelling offers and stuff like that on top of that. So then when you do get something like a free vents or free Meadow Valleys or upgrade to architectural cap type offer incentive or interest rate or upgrade to metal roofing incentive or something like that, you can then spit the page that you make into this and continue to improve it. And not every recommendation is something you have to take as if it's like a scientific guarantee. The point is to be thinking about it, because right now everybody's just sending most of their website traffic to the contact us page or to a book inspection form, or worse, to their homepage. So this is a great place to start in trying to get a conversion.